Hello, this is Android Mir, and today we will know how to solve plugin is not supported. An error may occur when you try to open a site with Flash Player. For example, such a site with a Flash game. We can see an error this plugin is not supported. To play Flash content, you will need to install a browser that supports Flash Player. Go to Play Market, write in the search line Flash Player browser. And choose any browser you like. Wait for installation. And launch the browser. Go to the error site with Flash Player. As you can see, Flash runs without problems. Flash runs properly. If you like the video, put thumbs up and subscribe the channel. See you next time!